Hey guys, welcome to our channel CyberKapoor. So guys, today I will tell you how you can use another PC laptop via your system. So I am using my PC and another one is my friend laptop. So please watch carefully, don't skip any step and follow all the steps. So without wasting time, let's go. So open your browser firstly and search here anydesk, anydesk. Press enter. See. So guys, I am providing you a direct link in the description. You can download it via that link. So click here and click on here the download option. Click on the download options and you can download here. Choose yours Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux and much more. So I am choosing Windows and download now. See, the download is here. So I am installing. See, I am also install anydesk in my PC. Let's start. See, so my software is installed now, and here is my friend laptop. I also open this software in my friend laptop and see guys, here is your remote address. This is your remote address and this is remote address. So I am entering here the remote address of my friend laptop, 391.085.986 and I am press enter. See guys, it will take some time. See, on my friend laptop I am accepting. So guys, it will take few minutes. See, on my system my friend laptop is connected and I am minimizing it. So I am using my friend laptop here and so let's play some song on my friend laptop via my system. So firstly I am opening browser and opening YouTube.
Girl said the music. Galabi queen, let's go.
हो राह छੱਡ ਦੇ ਫੇਰ ਨਾ ਕਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਬਾਹ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਰਾਹ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਨੀ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਰਾਹ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਫੇਰ ਨਾ
I am using it and you see the guys that I am using here. I can do anything from here. See, I can do anything from here and also if I want to disconnect this, I can also disconnect this system. So I am disconnecting this. So guys, see, the session is closed and okay. So guys, you can use anything by this software. So thank you. If you like our video, then please like it, subscribe our channel for the latest updates and share your love to this video. Thank you, your CyberKapoor.